Hey guys, Craig with Howtopest with another video on how to get rid of bed bugs. So you've figured out that you have bed bugs, you've decided you're going to tackle this project yourself, you don't want to hire that exterminator and pay that fee. We're going to walk you through this and show you how to do this. If it's too extreme, bed bugs are way out of control and you just don't want to do it, I would recommend call your exterminator and let them put in the hard work, because it is going to be some work to get rid of these bed bugs. You're going to have to be diligent, you're going to have to take your time and do everything the correct way. So let's show you what's in the arsenal that we would recommend when you're going after to tackle this bed bug issue you have. Number one, we have our trash bag. You're going to need multiple trash bags. The reason for the trash bag, nothing is going to leave the contaminated room. You're basically going to quarantine this room. Once you've quarantined the room, you're going to take everything that's on that bed, you're going to double bag it into bags before it leaves this room. I would recommend zip tying it, duct taping this bag. You don't want them jumping out. This bag is going to go directly to the laundry facility that's going to wash these sheets, clothes, covers on the hottest cycle and then dry it on the hottest cycle. To be safe, we do it twice. So that's what your plastic bag's for. You're going to have your sprayer. This is the sprayer we sell. It's a great sprayer for all your different applications. It's a Chapin. It works really well. It's going to be an inexpensive sprayer, and it's going to do the job that you need it to do. Then you're going to have your dust, choice of dust. You're going to have your chemical of choice, your aerosols, and you're going to have your concentrate. You're going to have your puffer duster, which is going to spray your dust out. You're going to have a Phillips or flathead screwdriver and a box cutter. Phillips flathead screwdriver. This is going to take off your outlet covers, if the camera can show that down there. Unplug all outlets, unscrew the cover, and that's where we're going to show you how to apply the dust. Box cutter. What we use these for is if you have a box spring, you're going to raise the box spring on the back side, which has the little cotton or material type cover. This allows you to make slats because the bed bugs are most likely hiding in that mattress or that box spring itself. You're going to slice that open. That's going to allow you to either put in your chemical or, even better, your dust, and allow it to float in there and wipe out the bed bugs. So let's get started, guys. You've just figured out you have this problem. You've got your chemicals. You're ready to go. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bag up those items like we spoke. Put them in the bags, set them to the side. Do not leave the room with those bags. Now your bed is going to be stripped down. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your aerosol can. Crossfire is our number one option. Bedlam is number two. Here's the difference, guys. They're both made by the same manufacturer. This is going to be a Crossfire is going to be a three different chemical makeup is what it is. It basically has your chemical for pyrethroid resistant bed bugs. It has your quick knockdown, and it has your residual. Bedlam is going to have your residual and your quick knockdown, and it has your pyrethroid resistance, but they didn't mix it into three different chemicals. It's done all into one, or into two, I'm sorry. You're going to have your dust, Delta, Cymexa, and you're going to have your concentrate, Crossfire concentrate. This is going to allow you to do your general coarse spraying around the room itself. The aerosols, they will do that also, but we like to use those to concentrate on the mattress. Crossfire can be direct mattress applied, meaning you can spray this all over the box spring, all over the mattress. It's so safe, it does not even have a signal word. Bedlam, you're a little more limited. You're going to stay on, I don't have it on our mattress itself, but when you spray this, it's going to be the seams of the mattress where it's sewn together. That's where they're going to hide. The box spring itself, you're going to flip back the areas like this. Can you see that on the camera? You're going to flip back those areas like that. You're going to treat that with Crossfire Bedlam all the way around. You're going to flip it. You're going to put the slices in there. Most likely you already have slices in there from moving it from different rooms or moving from home to home. You're going to make that slice big enough just to get in either the tip or straw of the aerosol can, or what I like better yet, the tip of the duster, the puffer duster. You're going to shake your duster really well with the box spring itself. It's light puffs. You're going to push this down one or two times, let the dust float throughout the mattress. They're hiding in the actual framing of the mattress where they've made the mattress, where the screws go, where the boards meet, the one-bys, stuff like that. Once you've done that, you're back to your aerosols again. You're treating, like we said, around. If you have the Crossfire, you're treating the whole mattress if you'd like. Headboards are very important. You're going to have to take this headboard apart, or at least be able to slide it out, because they're going to hide in the headboard itself and then down at the edge of the bed in the footboard. The reason the bed bugs are close to you, they have to have a blood meal to reproduce. If they don't have a blood meal, they don't reproduce. You are the blood meal. So bed bug traps, monitors, they're not a bad thing, but they're not going to solve your problem. Most likely the bed bugs start in the bed close to you, and as the problem gets worse, they branch out. So when you're putting leg holders, pheromone traps on your bed legs itself to monitor the bed bugs climbing up, they're already up. They're already in the mattress, they're already in the box spring. So it's kind of defeating the purpose. It's more of a monitor if you don't have a situation already and you just have those in place to try to monitor to see if you're going to have a situation in the future, or to prevent one from getting out of control. That being said, most of them are on you when you lay down, and then they branch off and go to the headboard. They go to the seams of the mattress. They go to the box springs themselves. If you feel like this is way too much and you don't want to do it, we're going to show you a link to a video down below of how we do extreme jobs with heat, but those run you about $1.25 to $1.50 a square foot, and that's per room per house. So they get up into the thousands of dollars. Would I tell you to heat one room? We never do it, because what happens is that person gets out of bed, they go to the couch, the bed bugs are downstairs now, the bed bugs are in the next room. So it's hard to just do one room. If you're doing one room with chemical, the same thing applies. You can try one room, but you've most likely gone downstairs and sat in that chair downstairs, or sat on that couch and have carried that bed bug over to that room. So I would recommend treating any upholstered furniture, paintings on the wall when it gets really bad. You'll see if you watch some of our videos, we'll show you that, where they actually are on the walls crawling up and down when we turn those heat systems on. But the chemicals will do the job like heat. You just have to be more diligent. You need to apply this chemical in the intervals that the label says. So it's going to be the same process we're showing you at least 2 times. Puffer duster, outlets off, dust 1 or 2 pumps into each outlet lightly. You're not looking for clumps of dust. You're looking to float. Baseboards, if I can show you this around here. Same thing. If you have any holes, you can do the dust in the baseboards, or if it's not carpeted and it's wood floor and it has a gap, you can do that around there. You're not going to just free float this dust all over your house. Even though it's safe, some of the dust are all natural. You don't want the dust and residual all over the house. Let's get back to the Crossfire and the bed lamp. They leave no stain. What Crossfire can do in bed lamp, they can leave a powdery residual on dark furniture. It wipes right off, so don't be alarmed. It kind of dries like a powdery dust, wipes off. May or may not even do that, but that's the worst it does. These are great chemicals, guys. So once we've gone with the aerosol, we have our Crossfire. This will mix in 1 gallon worth of concentrate, and it will treat any other area of that room and probably more. So if you want to hit these bed bugs with everything you've got, then this is what we recommend. Get yourself a sprayer if you don't have it. Make sure you bag up everything before it leaves the room and gets laundered. Hit your areas that you can, outlets, baseboards with the dust, box springs. Take your concentrate aerosol, spray either your entire mattress, depending on which version you've gone with, or the seams, back of headboards. Take your concentrate and get your surrounding surface areas. Pick yourself up a puffer duster. Even though they have tips on these, this is going to make this come out a lot less clumpy. So it just helps professionally distribute that dust for you guys. There's 2 types of bed bugs that we deal with. Without going into the technical name, it's the common bed bug, it's the tropical bed bug. Going back to those sticky traps, the tropical bed bug leaves or secretes a sticky stuff that helps them climb, so they can even climb out of some of those traps. Common, not so much. Bed bug monitors are not bad. If we find one that we really like, you will see it on our website. We just haven't come across one that we feel comfortable recommending to you guys, but I've heard people that have good stories with the bed bug monitors for monitoring, just what it says. But it's not going to take care of your problem. You're going to have to wipe that out. Once again, if you want to see how this is done, we'll have a link in this video and we'll show you how heat treatments are done by professionals. Heat treatments work. They're a lot of money. Chemical treatments work. They're a lot of time and effort. That's why if you hire an exterminator, they're going to come back multiple times to reapply that chemical. These bed bugs hatch every 10 to 12 days, 7 to 10 days, depending on the heat. Hotter it is, the faster they reproduce, faster the eggs hatch. These chemicals are going to kill the bed bugs in every cycle, or every what's the word I'm looking for? It's going to kill them in the egg, the nymph, the adult stage. So it's going to kill pyroid resistant bed bugs, like we mentioned before. So once again, if you're willing to tackle this project, we have the supplies and the chemicals you need to do that. If you have any further questions, comment on the video or get a hold of us directly at howtopest.com. And remember, subscribe to our videos, guys, and you'll get this video and many more. Thanks again for watching.